This is the journey to One Africa. We're on our way to Zenj. It's gonna be a nice trip. I'm here with Kilagas and someone behind the scene. She don't want to be known. It's gonna be a nice trip. Oh yeah. This is one of the biggest ferry in Tanzania. I think it is the largest one. It is really big. Hey ladies and gentlemen, SNOA family, we're back. It's been a moment, but I remember last time I came here and you guys saw the video of this place. It didn't look like this, but it looks really amazing right now. Let's go close a little bit. A lot of things have changed here. And we're about to see our farms. Yeah? We're about to see our farms. We have 2 farms of vanilla. And I'm just excited to see, man, where our farms are. Right? You can see this is like 200 square meters of vanilla. It's growing really well, man. It's growing really nice. Look at that. You take a look at that. Oh man. Have a lot of different stuff. This is bamia right here. Okay. This is 120 square meters farm. And I'm just here to see our farm, man. Hopefully we'll be able to see it very soon. Wanna see our farm. Are you excited? Are you ready? Hey, inakuaje mzee? Ndio wasiri? Yuko wapi? Ah, okay. Ndio amekutuma wewe nini? Anakuja. Bwana, nataka tuone mashamba yetu. Asante sana. Yeah. Pole na kazi bwana.
Kitambo, nakumbuka lakini.
Of course nakumbuka. Tuko pamoja na mpira.
Karibuni bwana.
Mambo yanaendelea vizuri bwana.
Sasa tuko fresh tu. Tuko fresh kabisa.
Na mvua ndio zinakuja kwa hiyo.
Na mvua ndio zinakuja.
Mambo ni mazuri atakuwa. Sina subiria tu mpaka mwezi wa 3 yani. Yaani kama mbali sana. Mambo ni mengi sana. Ile shamba la Bishop, ile si askofu Njai. Na askofu mmoja alikali. A lot of money in here. Half acre. Ladies and gentlemen, here is our farm. Let's see this. See you guys. 400 square meters. So let's show you guys. Let's show you guys. I go from here. Oh my God, this is good. Oh Jesus! Wow. So guys, from here where you see the bango. Ambao kule juu si ndivyo?
Nataka kule juu kuanzia hapa. Kuanzia hapa nataka punda bango jingine kule
From here.
Ya 400.
Okay, so jiandae na yani nitakimbia, hapa nitakimbia hivi. This is our
Man, that's crazy. You want me land like the way you are running? Man, can't do that.
Guys, you see this? This is our farm right here. This is our farm. This is our vanilla farm. We have a long way to go.
No, naomba nichukue shoti ya mbele.
Okay. 400 square meters until here. Undio mpaka. Okay. This is 400. And the second one? Kule. Kuanzia pale mpaka hapa 400. Ile shamba jingine liko wapi?
Liko huko upande wa pili.
Taifuata. So guys, from there where we came from all the way to here, that's 400 square meters. You can show them again. Yeah, it is. It looks good. It looks good. Guys, we told you, man, we still have a long way to go. We still have a lot of months to wait until we get our stuff. But the good thing is here, I'm here at the farm, and the farm is here. Guys, the farm exists. If you're wondering and worrying that, oh my goodness, where's our farm? Did I lose my money? Until right now, guys, your money is safe and your money is right here on the ground. All right, I'm very excited. You know, I know a lot of people have been reaching out and they want to invest again, but now we are not doing that at all. All right, we're not doing that right now. I know Kilagas want to invest as well. We're not doing that right now. Until we get the outcome of what we're doing here, then we'll tell you guys again. All right, first, let us enjoy the fruits of our labor. We need to invest again and again and again. Yeah, let's go to see our second farm. This is 400 square meters. We're going to see our second farm, which is like 200 square meters, I believe.
How about this one? This for Swahili Nation.
We're gonna eat this papaya. Oh, this is our papaya too. Ain't nobody gonna touch our farm. This is our farm. Like, based on the contract for 60 years, this is our land. Right? Yeah, this is our land for hii ni ardhi yetu kwa miaka 60. Kutokana na mkataba. Tuna renew tu. This is our land, guys. It's our land. Swahili, it's our land. Oh my God. 60 years I'll be 90. Oh God.
With 7 cheat.
Yeah. Let's go. Let's go, sir. Let's inside. Wow. Man, I'm very excited. Say.
And this is the farm for Swahili Nation. For those who invested in Swahili Nation vanilla. Where should I pass then? Great. Thank you so much.
We're going to see the second farm. Where? All right, ladies and gentlemen, our second farm right here, 200 square meters, Swahili Nation, One Africa Foundation, Dar es Salaam, Tanzania, Vanilla International Limited. This is the second farm from here. Yeah, so from here, guys, this 200 square meters. Let's go, let's go. Ladies, go. Okay. Yes. Let's go. You see that one is our first farm, and then second farm is this right here, next to this one. Oh my God! Look at this, man. It looks healthy. Wow, it looks healthy. This is the second farm. Yeah, here.
Kuanzia pale mpaka kule.
Sasa vipi kuishi? Mbona hizi hapa hazina? Au
ndio wanarudisha miti hapa. Hii miti imegoma.
Okay.
Usiona mbele hii imekata kukua hapa.
Yeah.
Kuna plant ya
plant na
kazi.
Yeah, unaona kuna
Told you.
sawa. Hamna shaka.
You better do that. Do it. You are the media team right now.
Angalau sasa au kweli kata. It's easy hapa zimekubali hivi.
Umeona? Unataka kukimbia.
Yeah. Kubali sana.
Kubali.
Ndio tu kizao itakuwa fresh. Tumai hakuna vanilla dume.
Vanilla dume.
Ndio hapa zizai. So guys, I'm here at our farm and look at what we got. Right here, man. Right here. Look at some of them are still there. But you know, some people told me that it actually had a lot of chances. This is tangerine, yeah. A lot of tangerine right here. A lot of people they came and stole them to come. Look at this. But this one, you can show them. Show what you got.
This one.
That's what we got.
Right here.
Man. All right, oh my God. right here. Got rain.
This is the beautiful blessing from God. Mvua inanyesha. Hey, Chris.